Okay, excellent. We are on the first one, the early years. So what we're going to do is we're really going to explore the stuff that's happening early on before our founding. We always look at 1776, 1780s around the American Revolution. The American Revolution as the time of it really starting. But realistically, there were a lot of things happening well before that that really kind of contribute to the history of the United States and really lead us to ask some serious questions about things. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up like this. We're going to make four different sections using this layout here, which is just the image, the title, and there. First one is we're going to do Cahokia. I need you just to title it like this, and then answer these prompts here, okay? And it does need to be in paragraph format when you respond. So you put Cahokia, you put your picture there, change the background to something that you would like that resembles Cahokia or whatever you'd like. Um, and again, for me, paragraphs 5 to 8 sentences. The whole point is you're explaining yourself based off of these prompts. And remember, the point of this web page is not to impress me; it's to impress one yourself and to showcase to others your work. So really, it's your digital footprint to show how awesome you are and how much you can explain certain things, right? So you should be proud of this in a sense to where you would want to show someone your web page that, hey, look, you want a gist of what U.S. history might be like or some things that I thought of, go ahead and take a look at this. That's your audience. So when you're writing, think about that since you're not writing in a PhD setting. This is not a thesis, anything like that, but this is meant to sway people and get them to think about stuff that they don't typically think of. That's really where we're at. So that's why we're doing this web page. So the first one is Cahokia. So go ahead and follow those prompts. The second one that you'll make is on the Roanoke colony. So again, 5 to 8 sentence paragraph here, answering that. Third one is on Columbus. So we're asking, was Christopher Columbus either good or bad? And again, answer this in paragraph format. And Pocahontas is our last one. That's a lot of fun for me, and unfortunately, we don't have time to watch the film, but this is what I would really, really like you to focus on. I know all the other ones are very important to me. Trust me, they are. Pocahontas, though, is really important and fun because Disney has such a hold on our lives. Growing up as kids, we see things whether we like it or not, and Disney is responsible for it. So we need to know, is it wrong to sell the Pocahontas story in a different way or not? And what does that do to children that are learning, right? So think about it from that lens. You can definitely go to YouTube, watch it. It's available there for $2.99, or you can watch plenty of excerpts of the Disney version of Pocahontas. That's what I'm focusing on, not the other stuff. So focus on the Disney one. I know you're wondering to yourself, like, who is this guy? Trust me, it's a lot of fun. So for the early years, early NA, make sure you have these four. So follow the prompts. Should look like this. And again, how you get each one of these sections is you go to layout here, just left click, and it'll jump up like that. And then go ahead, click your image, make sure the title matches up, and then start writing there in your text. And do not forget, always got to change the background, right? Select image, go with it. Find one of your own. You can go to search. You can use your albums, whatever it is. But that is what I expect from you guys for the early years. Good luck.